We were delighted to be presented in person our membership of IBPAP by Jack Madrid. We spoke to them about their industry roadmap for 2028 and its clear objective to double the size of the BPO sector. And it's clear to us that you, the industry leaders, have the ambition and expertise to make that happen.
You have 1.4 million people employed in the BPO industry. What an incredible achievement that you guys have done in terms of building out, developing this industry and having such a transformative effect on the nation's economy.
There's so much talent in the country that the work at home option actually paved the way for us to reach folks who could have been employable, but have preference over the time of day that they work or where they work. And so that has actually changed the landscape for us as well.